Alex, and I'm from Aurora Middle School. I'm going to be doing hands-on equations. First, the basics. You need to know what these are. This is a blue pawn, it equals x. This is a white pawn, it equals the opposite of x. This is a green square or green cube, it equals the negative, and it's also a constant. And this is the red cube, it's a positive, and it's also a square, and it's also a constant. For our first problem, it's 3x plus 10 equals 5x plus 2. This is our first problem, and the first part, how we do it is, so one of the first rules is you can take away from each side. So I'm going to take away 3 blue pawns from each side, and I'm going to add, you can also add things, and I'm also going to add a -2 to each side. This cancels out as a pair of 0. And then 10 minus -2 is +8. So it's, then divide them by divide by 2. And then you would get x equals 2. 4. X equals 4. -10 plus x equals -3x. I'm going to start off by adding a white pawn to each side. These cancel out, so they go bye-bye. And then, so we're going to do a -2 to both sides. And that goes bye-bye because they cancel out. They're very 0. And then this is -12, and that is the opposite, or like -4, which is the opposite. So the 12 divided by -4 is -3, so x equals -3. Problem is 5 plus x plus -3x equals 3x plus -2x plus. All right, for this problem, we're going to do taking away from each side and 2 white pawns away from each side. I'm also going to take a blue pawn from each side, and then we're gonna add a blue pawn to each side, and then take these away because they cancel out when they're pair 0. And then we're gonna do a +1 on each side. Where did the +1 go? Hold on. And then there. And then we're gonna add that on, which is a 6, and then this goes bye-bye because it cancels out, and it's pair of 0. And then, so this is 6, this is a 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so x equals 2. Wait.